What is dental plaque biofilm? Dental plaque biofilm is a community of thick layer of microorganisms that stick to the teeth, which can cause tooth decay. To understand what dental plaque biofilm is, let's explore what these microscopic organisms are doing inside our mouths. When you wake up in the morning, or even before you go to bed at night, does your mom or dad remind you to brush your teeth? It is normal to have bacteria in the mouth. However, too much bacteria can cause biofilm to form. If this biofilm is not cleaned through brushing, biofilm could lead to cavities. Some bacteria live in isolated colonies, like small towns out in the country. But most bacteria end up living in big communities like biofilms. That's like people who live in big cities. When enough bacteria are present, they can get organized and form a biofilm, or what you might call a slime city. One example of a biofilm is the slimy layer you get on your teeth every morning or if you haven't brushed your teeth all day. Do your teeth ever look like this? The slimy coating in the picture consists of groups of about 600 different species of bacteria, all living together. How do bacteria communicate with each other to form these biofilms? Bacteria speak a kind of special language among each other called quorum sensing. A quorum means a gathering of the minimum number of members necessary to conduct business. So bacteria try to sense whether or not they have a quorum, enough members to start a slime city. After a biofilm or slime city is formed, the bacteria create a matrix around their community. A matrix is an enclosure that surrounds and contains something and allows it to grow and develop. This matrix is made up mostly of sticky sugars, as well as some proteins and DNA. It helps the bacteria stick to each other and to their host, like a tooth. It also protects them from things like antibiotics, which would kill them. Inside this matrix, individual bacteria start to take on special roles, like producing certain enzymes that the group needs. It's like a big community all working together to wreak havoc on your teeth. Children like you need to watch out for the food that you eat because bacteria like sugars. Do you love chocolate, fruit juice, or soda? Well, beware, because with these foods and beverages, you are helping more bacteria survive in your mouth. This is a healthy tooth. Your tooth is covered by what we call enamel. The enamel is very tough. It protects your teeth from chewing, biting, crunching, or grinding. However, enamel can wear down no matter how tough it is if you do not take care of them. This is a tooth with dental plaque. Dental plaques are soft, sticky deposits that form in our teeth and gums from the biofilms. Like we said before, there can be 600 different types of bacteria in your mouth just for one biofilm. Let's get to know more about these bacteria. Just like you, bacteria have names too. These are Streptococcus, Actinomyces, Streptococcus mutans, Capnocytophaga, Fusobacterium, Treponema, Porphyromonas gingivalis, Prevotella intermedia, Campylobacter, Veillonella. Those are a bunch of crazy names, huh? But for now, just remember Streptococcus mutans and Lactobacillus acidophilus because these two bacteria cause the most common dental diseases for children and adults. The sugars found in the food we eat and the beverages we drink along with the saliva are used by the bacteria in our mouth so they can live and multiply in our mouth. The bacteria ferment the carbohydrates into acids. The acid then breaks the tooth enamel, which can cause tooth decay if they're not taken care of. Calcium is a mineral that makes the teeth strong and healthy. When calcium is removed in the teeth, we call it decalcification. Tooth decalcification is caused by the excessive buildup of dental plaque biofilm on the tooth enamel. If white spot lesions are seen on teeth, this is a signal of the tooth decalcification process taking place that leads to tooth decay if you do not practice good oral hygiene. Tooth decay or cavities happen when the acid breaks the tooth enamel. Remember that these acids came from the fermentation of sugars by the bacteria. So remember to eat nutritional foods and less sugary foods. Why is brushing your teeth so important? Because the toothbrush scrubs lots of bacteria off your teeth and gums. Likewise, flossing your teeth removes bacteria between the teeth and down in the gums. Of course, the bacteria that get left behind will start reproducing again right away. The battle never ends. Visits to the dentist are important too. There, you will get a deep cleaning to remove all the plaque and tartar from your teeth. The stuff you just can't get rid of on your own, even if you brush every day. They will also examine your teeth for any problems. It's recommended that you go to the dentist twice a year. Between visits to the dentist, make sure you use a toothpaste with fluoride. Mouthwash also helps kill bacteria in your mouth and gives you fresh breath. There are lots of products made especially for kids. We hope you learned lots about bacteria and biofilms in your mouth. Hopefully, you also know a little more about taking care of your teeth. Good luck and keep on smiling.